In this video, I will show you how to set up Virgin Media Wi-Fi Booster. So a Virgin Media Wi-Fi Booster, also called as a Wi-Fi pod on newest services, extends your Wi-Fi coverage into weak signal areas of your home. So first of all, make sure to check your router first. Make sure that your Virgin Media Hub is online and the Wi-Fi is working normally. And of course, the internet is connected. A booster cannot fix an internet outage. It will just boost the signal in dead areas. So first of all, make sure to go and plug the booster near the router first. Make sure to keep it close. Don't go to a dead area and plug it. No, you will need to pair it first, so plug it in front or close to the router. So plug the booster into wall sockets and keep it basically in the same room as the router. Don't place it in a weak signal area yet. Then you would like to wait for a status light. As an example, you will find it either disconnected or connected to the internet. You will find either no signal, weak signal, strong signal. So wait a few minutes while the booster powers on, connects to the router, and downloads any updates. Then you will, of course, depending on the models that you have, if you have an automatic pairing option, many Virgin Media pods pairs automatically, where you have to do nothing. But some of the older versions, you will need to do the WPS pairing. You'll need to go to your router and also to your booster and press the WPS button. So you'll need to go to the router first and press the WPS button. Also, you'll need to go to your booster and press the WPS button and you'll have to wait for the connection. It will take from 1 to 2 minutes and then it should be set successfully. Of course, you'll need to keep in mind that your host router should also support WPS. Once you're done with that and once they are connected together, your booster is ready. You can just go and unplug it from, or as an example, unplug the booster from where you have it and move it halfway between the router and the weak signal area. Don't place it where the signal is already very weak because the booster will not be able to catch the signal as well. So make sure to place it in between so it can spread the Wi-Fi or the signal more to those dead areas. And yeah, finally, you can just go and check the Wi-Fi signal strength, internet speed, and connection stability. And you can move the booster if necessary until it meets your requirements. Of course, if you want, you can also use the Virgin Media Connected app, and the app can help you find some weak spots, check booster status, and optimize the placements if you want to. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.